Hey, what's up guys? My name is Alvin Mote. I'm a Forex trader. Once again, thank you for the love you have been showing my channel for the last video. Thank you again guys. So guys, today I decided to create this video on beginner's guideline on how to start in this Forex. Because a lot of people that have been asking me, as a completely new beginner in this market, where do you start? What do you need? So in this market, first of all, my advice, where I started from this website, babypips.com. You come at this website, you come here, education, here, how to trade. Okay, then there's a course outline. Okay, so in this course, what you'll learn first: what's Forex, what is traded in Forex, buying and selling currency pair. All of this you learn. How do you trade Forex? You understand what's a pip, okay? What's a lot size? What's a spread? You see all of these things until you master some basics. Then you come here, who trade Forex. Then you'll understand something to do with market structure, players, and history. All of it will be in this website. You learn. So here you'll get the basic. You'll be introduced on what you are getting yourself into. Whenever you've crammed this, okay, you've got what the content is saying here, you can come back now to your phone. You'll download MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 to your phone. Then from there you'll create after downloading to your phone or to your PC. After that, what you do, you create a demo account. Okay, creating a demo account is not a must you have a broker. Just create a demo account in the phone. After creating demo account, you come to your PC or your computer or your phone, you download this app. It's called tradingv.com. Okay, after downloading this app, first you'll do when you can download, or you can just use the web application. It's up to you. You come here, charts. Okay, you come here, chart. It will load the chart. Okay, right now it's showing my chart because I was using it. Okay, so this is my account, so that's why it's showing my detail. So you'll come here, you'll put the currencies, the pairs that you like to watch. For the beginners, I advise start with Euro USD. It's somehow cheaper to a lot of brokers. The spread is low. Start master 2 or 3, how the pair moves. Then from there you learn how to do technical analysis. Okay, from learning technical analysis, you go to learn about fundamental analysis, which a lot of traders ignore, and it's very important to know fundamental analysis. Okay, then from there you're good to go. Okay, so guys, that will be the end of my video today. Thank you.